Hello everyone, welcome back to my GDScript tutorials. Today we're going to be looking at types. This is an extension of variables and we're just going to be looking at types for variables. We're going to keep these videos very short and sweet, anywhere from 1 to 4 minutes because, I have stuff to do in California. So let's get straight into it. We're going to be looking at types. There are tons of different types of variables in Godot. Our first type we have here is an integer. Our second type we have is a float. This is what a float is. It's a floating point is just something with a decimal point. That's really as simple as that. Our next variable is what's called a string. It has two quotation marks around it, and it is a string of letters. We can make a new variable called d, and we can use just one apostrophe around something called just O, I guess, and this is just going to be what's called a char or a car. I call them chars. Most people call them chars. I don't know anyone who calls them cars, but whatever. And char as in character, by the way. There's also another type, which is called a Bool Statement. So we can just call it yes, or we can call it yes or no. That looks really weird. Equals true, or it can be equal to false. They return values of 0 and 1 in computing language, but we see them as true and false. You can actually define what type of something is going to be by saying this. So var number with a colon. Var number is going to be an int, and it's going to be 2. But for our sake, we're going to do 2.0112, whatever. And then we're going to print our number. The reason why we're going to print our number is we're going to see that it concatenates all of this into just 2. So say we make it 2.7, it's going to continue 2, because all it reads is this. It's only going to take the first digit. It doesn't round. All it's going to take is this. So that's really all I have to show you about types of variables, and I'll see you guys in the next episode. Goodbye, everyone.